So today we are going to make mutton curry without onions. It's a very simple recipe, and if you don't have time, so it's a very good dish to cook. So for cooking mutton curry without onions, first take a pressure cooker, add 4 spoons of oil and let the oil heat. Once the oil is hot, add cinnamon stick, 1 spoon of black pepper seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 bay. 5 to 6 pieces depending on your taste. Now add 2. Let them cook for 20 to 30 seconds. Now add half kg mutton pieces into it. Give it a good mix and coat the mutton pieces with a layer of the oil. Now let the mutton pieces cook till they change the color from pink to white or start becoming light brown. Once mutton pieces change the color, add tomatoes, 1 medium tomato finely chopped. Add salt as per your taste. Now let it cook till tomatoes turn mushy or turn soft. Once tomatoes are soft, add 2 spoons of ginger garlic. Now stir it continuously for 2 minutes. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now let it cook for 2 minutes or till oil starts separating. Add curd and give it a mix. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high flame and keep stirring once in between. Turn the flame to low and add water for the gravy. Let it simmer for a minute on low flame. Close the cooker. Turn the flame to high and we'll wait for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, we'll turn the flame to low and we'll wait for 4 whistles. And after that, allow the steam to settle down naturally. Then we'll proceed further. Open the cooker and switch on the flame. Add 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala and let it simmer for 30 seconds. And also, if you want to adjust any spices or water, then mix it now and give it a mix and let it simmer for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now add 2 vertically slit green chilli and handful of fresh coriander leaves. After mixing, let it simmer for 30 more seconds and then switch up the flame. And we will transfer our mutton curry without onions to the serving dish. Here is our mutton curry without onions is ready to eat. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and you can enjoy it with roti, chapati, paratha or white fluffy rice. And I'm very sure you are going to like it. So friends, if you liked our very quick and very delicious recipe onions, then please do like our video and also please do share it. And also please subscribe to our channel to see the new recipes. We'll see you again very soon with the new dish, with the new recipe. Till then, bye bye, love yourself and have a good night. Thank you for watching.